Hey there, it's Greg from Toivo, Healing from Within. So I'm here with a very special drum that I'd like to tell a story about how it arrived in my collection. So this beautiful drum was made by Malaka Monkey Drums in Malaka, Senegal, West Africa. And I had the pleasure of visiting there and documenting the drum making operation there, and it was an amazing place. Malaka Monkey is kind of a retreat, a spiritual retreat center for locals and for people visiting from other countries, and they are employing local artisans to create drums and clothing and jewelry and all kinds of beautiful stuff. I, like I said, was there for a couple of days, and I offered them all the photographs and video that I had taken there, which was for a documentary that I made, and so I offered them all the videos and photos and that they could use for whatever marketing they would like, and they gladly accepted that, and I sent them everything, and I was asked for my home address, and I thought, oh, beautiful, they're gonna, send me a nice card or something or some pictures, and about a month later, this drum arrived, and this was made by the men that I interviewed and watched make these drums, and this is not just any djembe drum. This is a very special drum. It's beautifully carved, and it's one of the sweetest sounding drums I've ever laid my hands on. So I'm about to wake up my neighborhood in a big way, because this drum does not know how to be played quietly. It is an epic instrument. So, we'll call this one Malaka Monkey.